Hello 1250 students, Aaron here. We're back at it for step 2 in our module, and here we're working on altering settings in Photoshop. So I have a write-up here that you can read through if you'd like. I'll cover most of this in the video, but this is just here for your reference, and I have, like always, these orange arrows pointing out key ideas and concepts. So I just want to start with what are settings. This really is our user interface. And there'll be lots of different settings depending on if you're a photographer, graphic designer, illustrator, but ultimately what you really need is what works for you. And that's going to be different for everyone. I usually just roll with the essentials package, which I'll show you, and I find that more than sufficient. But some people prefer just the different settings, and that is totally okay. That is up to you. Okay, let's dig in. So I just opened Photoshop. I covered that in the last module, how to set up that file, everything. And remember, you do not need to follow along here. This is simply for you to learn, and you'll have an assignment after this where you'll apply these concepts. So I just prefer you sit back, relax. You don't even need to take notes. I took notes for you on the module, but I want to show you a little bit about these settings. So up here, we have our Mac menu bar, or on a PC, it's called the title bar. I'll be using a PC for this course. That's really industry standard for anything related to graphic design. And you'll find that if you work at a very large firm, an interior design or architecture design firm, that the graphic design team, they'll likely have Macs, and everyone else will have PCs. So that's why I'm using a Mac here. It's very strategic, but I will be explaining things as well for PC, but keep in mind, it's very much the same principles, just the shortcuts are a little different. Instead of the command key, you'll use control. So, okay, let's dig in. I want to edit some settings. Are they already here? Yes. Are they correct? Yes, but I'll show you. So we're going to go up to the Mac menu bar, or on PC, the title bar. Okay. And I have, do you see here? This is everything that's going on it. Everything that's checked, I have. If I uncheck tools, guess what? Gone. Don't do that. You'll need those, especially for our next couple of videos. But that's really my settings. But what's even easier, and I'm a big advocate for Team Lazy, take it. If there's a chance to reduce your workload, do it. And you can see here there's different settings. I always click Essentials. Okay, so now I'm on Essentials. Let's say for some reason something gets turned off. That happens a lot. We'll push a key, something will go wrong, but I will unclick Color just now saying, oops, that happened. I don't know how it happened. I know I just did it, but pretend I didn't. And what I'll do is I'll go back to Window, Workspace, Reset Essentials, and it's there. So that's our workspace, okay? In setting up your workspace, I would highly encourage you to do Essentials. That's really all you need for this class, and it works great. We don't really need to mess around too much with these. You can do Core Tools if you want. It's a little different, but I like the Essentials because it gives you that color palette. Okay, that's really it for this one. This was a short and sweet video, around 3 or 4 minutes. I will see you in the next one, and we will be talking about layers and how to work with those. Thanks.